Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the keyboard theme on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone, and once you have done that, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. From here, just tap on theme, and from here you can choose any theme you like. You can choose between the colors available, and if you scroll down, you can choose any of these landscapes. And also you have the option for light gradients and dark gradients, just like that. So I will choose this color. Now, from here, if you disable this toggle, it will disable the borders for the keys on your keyboard. I will enable this option. Now, once you have done that, just tap on apply. Now, if you go back and open the keyboard on your smartphone, you can see that we have successfully changed the theme of the keyboard on our smartphone. And this is how you can change the keyboard theme on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.